Apparently, everyone using either Monetag or Adsterra has to do with something we call traffic source. Now, in this particular video, I'm actually going to review to you some of the traffic source that you're actually going to get into your Monetag or Adsterra, or if you're into blogging or anything like CPA marketing. This video is actually going to help you to drive some of traffic source into your website directly right there. So what you need to do, just stay tuned from this particular video. Go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. This is Mr. Henry. You're watching the video currently right now. Also, check under the description of this particular video. There is a link to my WhatsApp and my Telegram group. Please go ahead and join me out there as this video proceeds right here. So what you need to do, just open your Monetag or Adsterra, and just as usual, come to where it says direct link. If you're using Adsterra, the same thing too as well. Come to where it says direct link or smart link. Make sure to get your link secure or get your link from there, and let's proceed with there. Now, I know a lot of you guys know how to generate direct link or smart link from these two platforms. Either you're using Propeller Ad or Hilltop Ad or any other accounts out there. So come to this particular website here, which is called the Neon.today.com. Now, I'm actually going to show you how you can run an advertising network on this platform and also gain traffic at the same time. All right. So what you need to do, just click on the sign up button. If you don't have an account, to register an account, of course, it's very easy for you to do that. What you need to do, just input in your email number, a password, and also verify from there. Now, if you already have an account, just go ahead and click on the sign in button, and then you're good to go. Now, once you open, this is the whole interface of this particular website. Now, you have the dashboard, the referral system, the manage ads, buy credits, and the suffering PTP, contest, and minimum. I'm going to take you through every single thing you have to know on this particular platform. Now, just introduce to you that this particular platform is a paid platform for you to run your ad network. But don't worry, because you're not even going to spend up to $1 or $1 on this particular platform in order for you to get a traffic source. Why? Because it's very cheap for you to run your ad with a good credit source too as well. Now, as you can see here, what runs basically on this platform is what we call the credits and also the RUP, which is the RIP, which is an Indian currency. All right. So I'm actually going to show you how you can purchase this particular coin and get this amount of credit right here. Now, what you need to do is just come to where it says dashboard, where you're going to see everything about your link. And once you place an ad on this particular platform, so what you need to do is just come to where it says buy credits. Now, once you click on buy credits, it's going to take you to this session here. Now, it says buy thousands of credits by using only 10 RIP. Now, do you know how much 10 RIP cost in USDT? It costs only 0.13 USDT, which is not even up to 1 USDT. But if you want to buy 20 RIP, which is going to cost you 0.27 USDT, which is not even up to 2 or 1 USDT. So you can buy as many as RIPs that you prefer to purchase out here, and then it will be credited right here. Now, once you click on purchased, it's going to take you directly to this session here where you have to buy it either with your Payoneer or your Visa or your credit card right there. So what you just click on using this particular one, which is actually, I don't know the red, but it simply has to do with your credit card. All right. So what you need to just select any of these payment methods that you've gotten out there, and then you're good to go. Now, if you don't have how you don't know how to link it, just let me know in the comment section. And I'm actually going to make a video to show you guys how you can actually deposit money on this particular platform to purchase a coin or credit on this particular platform in order for you to run your ads on this particular same platform. Now, what you need to do once you purchase your credits, it is going to reflect at this session here, which says credits, all right, which says credit. So once you are done with that, then you're good to go to start running your ad. Now, there are 3 basic ways to run your ads on this particular platform. You don't have to worry. If you're a blogger, you can either direct the traffic coming here directly to your blogging website, or if you're using either Monetag or Adsterra, you can simply use your smart link to actually direct link into your Adsterra or directly into your Adsterra or Monetag account directly without even embedding your link in any form. So you can just copy it straight forward, just insert it on the platform, and the rest leave it for the platform to do it, and it's actually going to be a magic for you. Now you have the suffering aspect, the PTP, the context aspect. But the one I actually prefer for you to do is what we call the suffering. Now don't actually click on this session. Come to where it says manage ads. Now click on the third one, which is the first suffering, and yes, it's going to take you to this session right here. Now I currently run an ad, but I actually have zero credits here, so the ad couldn't go through. Now once you go to this session, what you need to do is just click on new suffering ad. Now add your website to automate suffering to increase visits. So what you need to do is just go to your direct link, either on Monetag, Adsterra, copy the link right here. Just come to the copy aspect here. None of my links here is working. They are inactive currently. So if you're using Adsterra, just click on add direct link, either adult or mainstream. I know as at now most of you know the difference between adult and mainstream because I've actually talked about these two in my previous videos. So what you need to just click on the add button, right? Once you click on the add button right here, it's gonna take you a few minutes, about 3 minutes, for you to get your direct link. Now, if you're using Monetag to the same thing, Monetag is instantly once you click on it, bam, then you can see I have 10 links here. Automatically it has become 11. So let's say I'm gonna use the Monetag. So let me try the link and see whether actually working perfectly. Just as I said, go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. It keeps me moving every single time. And then we can see the ads has pop up here. Now, once we get the link, what you need to just come to the platform here, copy the link right here, put the link right here, and set a duration of viewing. So this actually means that for how long does the ad supposed to pop up to a user? So that means for 30 seconds, you're actually going to pay 0 plus 5 credits. So let's say you purchase like 10 reps and you have about thousands of credits right here. This is actually going to um, this is actually going to determine the amount of credits you're going to spend. So let's say I want to spend 30 seconds, which is 30 plus credits, right, on this particular one. So which means that 4 credits per visit. So every visit is going to deduct me 4 credits per visit. So which means that when a visitor actually view the ad for 90 seconds, it's actually going to deduct 4 credits out from my thousands of credit. That's how it basically means. Now, once you just click on the ad right here, and automatically your ad will be successfully placed for you. So you can see advertisement successfully added. Please add credit to start this advertisement campaign. So if you have a credit, that means you are good to go. You can either select to edit your distance.
입력하다 끝. 들어오겠습니다.
So you can either come to this session here and click on these 3 dots here to either edit your ads, all right? So in case you want something, you want to change something, either the deduction is going high, then you want to deduct or you want to reduce it, you can actually do that. And once you're done, you can submit it again and say your advertisement successfully updated, which means we've actually edited some portion of your rec, right? That's how it basically works. Now we are good to go. Now, once you are interested in placing different ads, you can do same by click on add software ad, then you are good to go. So it's very simple for you to start running ad on basically this particular platform here. But most challenge most people are actually going to face is what you call how you can actually add credits to your platform. Now, if you don't have ways or means to do that, please let me know in the comment section or you can join the Telegram and the WhatsApp channel. I'm actually going to talk about how you can actually do this in order for you to purchase some amount of credit to start running your ads on this particular platform to see how best you can actually make some cool amount of revenue out from Monetag and that of Adsterra. So basically, this video is actually going to help you to promote your website and we are good to go. I'm actually going to talk about the PTP and the context in my next video because most people don't get the whole concept about these two and they actually make some cool cash amount too as well. They have the referral exchange where you can get to share your links with your friends and also you can also make money out from there. No, don't worry about everything. Everything will be much explained in my Telegram and WhatsApp group, of course. So just join me out there and thank you very much for watching this particular video. Leave a nice comment and also don't forget to share this video with a friend. Join me out there and I hope to see you in my next video. Yeah.